plastic.
Hi, this presentation will explain about the character of Noli Me Tangere. Our character or the member of this video presentation is, and then we explain about the character of the individual in this novel. That's all. Capitan Tiago is a character in Jose Rizal novel in Noli Me Tangere. This character reflected the complexities and dilemmas faced by individual navigating society, and relate to grappling with own identity in mind, balancing personal value with a societal pressure, or experiencing challenge in the heretical system. Then reflecting on Santiago, Capitan Tiago, where journey could offer the insight in my experience and struggle within the environment. And the role of Capitan Tiago in Noli Me Tangere was service as a symbol of Filipino elite class during the Spanish colonial era. His character represents the complexities of their position, enjoying wealth and the influence, being the subordinate to Spanish authority. Tiago's role in the novel is to illustrate the impact of colonialism on Filipino society, and particularly on the affluent class, and highlight the struggle for identity and autonomy within a system of oppression. And then his interaction with the other characters, including Crisostomo Ibarra, and the affairs, help to advance the theme of the novel, such as social injustice and the quest for national identity. For the Captain Tiago, the action and motivates in novel, I learned about the complexities of navigating societal and expectation, and the compact colonialism on the individual identity, and the importance of maintaining personal integrity amidst and internal pressures. This history teach me a lesson about the resilience and self-awareness, and then the pursuit of justice and autonomy in the face of adversity. Then observing his mistake and vulnerabilities can provide valuable insight into the human condition and the complexities of power dynamics within society.
Maria Clara is a character in Jose Rizal novel Noli Me Tangere. She is depicted as the optimum of purity, grace, and virtue, often symbolizing the idealized Filipina woman. Maria Clara embodies traditional values of modesty, loyalty, and obedience to authority, particularly to her family and the church. She is portrayed as gentle, compassionate, and dignified, serving as a contrast to the corruption and dissidence present in colonial society. Maria with a broader narrative, serving as a catalyst for the exploration of themes such as love, sacrifice, and the impact of colonialism and personal and familiar relationship. Through their character, Rizal critiques the oppressive nature of societal norms and constraint imposed on women by partial structures. What related of me in Maria Clara is to find the parallels with Maria Clara. It might relate to embodying traditional values of virtue, grace, and loyalty, or feeling the weight of societal expectations and family obligation. Like Maria Clara, you may strive to maintain dignity and integrity in the face of adversity, while also grappling with the constraints imposed by societal norms and gender roles. Reflecting on Maria Clara's character can offer insight into navigating personal relationship and societal pressure. What I can learn from Maria Clara is you can learn about the strength in maintaining dignity or virtue amidst challenging circumstances. Her story teaches the importance of staying true to one's values and integrity, even in the face of societal pressure and oppression. Additionally, Maria Clara's experience highlights the complexity of navigating and family expectation and gender roles, promoting reflection on the constraints imposed by traditional norms.
Good day, sir. So, for the question number 2, what was the role of this character in the novel Noli and El Filibusterismo? So, first, I choose Crisostomo Ibarra. Crisostomo Ibarra is the protagonist in Jose Rizal's novel Noli Me Tangere. He represents the idealistic young Filipino educated abroad who returns to his homeland with hopes of initiating reforms and improving the lives of his countrymen. His character serves as a symbol of enlightenment and progress, but he also faces disillusionment and tragedy as he encounters the corruption and injustices entrenched in Philippine society during the Spanish colonial period. So for the question number 3, from Crisostomo Ibarra's actions and motives in the novel, I learn about acceptance, non-violence, trust, and perseverance.
Sa Pilipinas ko ang mismo mga Pilipino ang sumusuko sa kanilang kalagayan. Ako si Elias, ang isa sa mga tauhan ng aklat na Noli Me Tangere ni Dr. Jose Rizal. Ako ay isang bangkero at magsasaka. Kilala ko bilang matalik na kaibigan ni Crisostomo Ibarra at nagligtas sa kanyang buhay nung siya ay atakihin ng mabagis na buhaya. Tinulungan ko rin si Ibarra upang buksan ang kanyang mga mata sa mga nangyayari sa lipunan kahit pa magkaaway ang aming angkan. Dahil sa pagmamahal sa aking kaibigan, aking sinakripisyo ang aking buhay para lamang sa mga maligtas at makatakas sa mga kalaban. Inuulit ko, ako si Elias at ako ang sumisimbolo sa isang ordinaryong Pilipinong handang ipaglaban ang tama at protektahan ang aking mga kababayan.
Ako si Padre Damaso, hindi ako magaling na tagapagpahayag ng Diyos, ng Hudyo. Ako si Padre Bilugos, ang mas kilala niyo, Padre Damaso. Ang akong kurati kayo bago kay Padre Salvin, bayan ng San Diego. Dahil sa ginahasa niyang asawa ni Kapitan Tiago na si Dunya Pia Alba, ang totoong ama ni Maria Clara, matalik na kaibigan ni Kapitan Tiago, at Don Rafael Ibarra, malapit na taas ang tingin sa sarili, mababa ang tingin sa mga Pilipinong malaking tao.
Your character in Jose Rizal's novel Noli Me Tangere serve as a symbol of intellectual enlightenment and social criticism. He represents the intellectuals of Rizal's time who questioned the injustices and corruption prevalent in society. Filosofo Tasio's action and motives in Noli Me Tangere are multifaceted. As a delusion intellectual, he criticized the oppressive Spanish colonial regime and advocates for social change. These motives stem from a desire of enlightening others about the injustices he observed and to incite reform. I learned about Filosofo Tasio of symbol of intellectual enlightenment and social criticism, engaging in philosophical discussion and advocating for change.
Basilio. Matapos pag-aanhuliin na mga buhay sa sibil ni Basilio. Sa kanilang tahanan habang wala ay ilang sisisa. Ang mata ay nawad na tumakbo, mabilis silang tumakbo sa kung saan at dito ay naiwanan siya ng malay. Bunsod ng matinding tabon at mga sugat sa katawan. 2 buwan at nakalipas at nagsisisi sa 5 lalaman si Basilio sa kamay ng pamilya ni Jesus na nakatira sa tabi ng bukal malapit sa Santiago. Sa bata ang kaulian at kapayatan. Dahil sa tinamon niyang nilay at sugat na noy sila naman ng mga anak ang nakatlaka dar pitata silo at ang mga apo nito sila Lucia, Tano at Julie. Ang tumunong sa kaawan-awan si Basilio matapos niyang mag-agaw buhay sa lahat na timong pasakit at katawan.
Si Crispin ay nakabatang kapatid ni Basilio na anak ng karakter na si Sisa. Si Crispin ay nagsisilbing matinding representasyon ng paghihirap at pagbibiktima ng mga mamamayang Pilipino sa ilalim ng kolonyal na pamumuno ng mga Espanyol. Sa mga akda ni Rizal, itinatampok ang kanyang istorya at ang mga panlipunang kawalang katarungan at pang-aapi na nagpasigla sa mga revolusyonaryong damdamin noong panahon iyon. Dahil si Crispin ay sumisimbolo sa mga mahihirap na Pilipino, Indios na maling inakusahan ng maraming krimen na hindi nila ginawa. Karamihan ay ang mga preling Kastila at ang sisisi sa kanila.